I love everything about color. The more colors I can infuse into my art, the happier it is. My name is Danielle Donaldson. I'm a watercolorist and an illustrator. I think it's really important to not get caught up in color charts, because I think in watercolor, if you're not watching what's going on in front of you, you're missing out on opportunities to make it better, to add more depth, and to really enjoy the process of watercolor. In this course, I asked students to figure out what their true primary and secondary colors are, like what is red to you? Is red cherry red or fire truck red or strawberry red? And then I asked my students to explore what is a warm version of that and what is a cool version of that. And once you can look at your palette and the colors in a new way, in this warm, cool, and true way, you're able to add depth to your work that you didn't know you could. And it just gets you thinking in a different, really structured way. And then what you get to do in this class is kind of create a mini reference for those colors that you've picked with really cute, sweet, fun, tiny little illustrations. In taking this course, my hope is that you'll start to notice how you draw and how you look at color in a new way, and it will show you how to turn something into yours or your signature.